Sa kaya video lesson, ato ang target is to graph linear inequalities into variables. Nakitay 4 steps anhi sa pag-graph sa linear inequalities into variables. Step 1, ato ang i-convert ang yung symbol from inequality to equation. Basically, kaning x plus 2y greater than 6 is our given, and it will become x plus 2y equals 6. Okay? As simple as that. From relational symbol that is greater than, it will become equal. That is the step 1. Step 2 is about knowing what kind of equation, the relationship of the inequality. This is greater than, and graph the resulting equation. So the step 2 and step 3 are connected in a way that the idea behind this is related to step number 3. This is solid line if greater than or equal. But since this is a greater than only, we will do a kind of broken line. So as what you have seen on the screen, mo ni siya ang iyahang linya. And that's it. That's the idea of the line. And if you want to know later, I will also demonstrate that on step number 4. But basically, by this time, you should know already how to graph a linear equation. Okay? But don't worry, I will also teach you that in this video lesson. Now let's proceed to step number 3. In step number 3, all you need to do is to shade where is the shaded region. So since this is greater than, the shading part here is in the right side of the divider or the line created by the equation presented. Okay? So this is the idea. Now let's proceed to step number 4, where our goal here is to make a specific x-intercept and y-intercept. What does it mean? As you can see, this is 0, 3, right? This is our x-intercept because our x here is 0. Is that clear? Since our x here is 0, this is y-intercept, but actually, the y-intercept is 0, 3. This is the idea. The y-axis has a point 0, 3 that is a certain point that crosses the y-axis. This is 0, 3. And 6, 0, our y here is 0, therefore this is x-intercept. Again, if y is 0, this is called x-intercept. Because in graphing, you can see this is 6 and this is 0. Our y here is 0 and we don't have the x, therefore it crosses only the x. The only entity that the variable that has a value is the x. That's why x-intercept. And the only value in this 0, 3 that has a value is 3, which is y-intercept. And this is very crucial because in order to get this, we can use the step number 1, which is the equation. X plus 2y equals 6. And basically, we need to zero the what? The first, we can actually choose between x and y. But this time, we'll use the x as our value and we will zero the y. Therefore, x plus 2, then 0 is our y. So here's the idea. equals 6. Therefore, our x is 6. So that is for, you got it right, this is for x-intercept. The goal here is to get 2 points. So in this first box, this is 6, 0. That is used, that will be used on the graphing. Now let's zero the x. This is 0 plus 2y equals 6. Notice that our x is 0 here. Therefore, we can do y equals 6. Divide everything by 2. The answer, y equals 3. Therefore, this is, when our x is 0, our y is 3. And this is called the y-intercept. Okay, this is the idea. And this is how it is. This broken line, because the equation in the original, the inequality is greater than. That is the basic idea. You need to know the x-intercept and y-intercept and how to do it. Okay, now let's proceed to another example. Again, the first step is replace with y equals mx plus b. So basically, what will happen here, this 3x plus 5y will become 3x plus 5y. We're gonna write this first, and this will become 5y minus 3x plus 3. Basically, this will be transferred to another side of the inequality. Though we have to use the addition property of inequality, or the additive inverse of 3x, which is negative 3y, negative 3x rather, and this will become an equation. So what will happen here now? 5y, divide everything by 5, 3x plus 3. So therefore, we'll get y equals negative 3x over 5 plus 3 over 5. Okay, this is the equation. And in order for us to better understand this, you need to see the y-intercept. And basically, this letter b here is the y-intercept. It means that our x is 0 here and our y is the letter b. So therefore, we have letter b here over 5 in the original idea. So 3 over 5 is our letter b. Therefore, this is 3 divided 5, 0.30, it's 6. So 0.6 is here. X is 0 and 0.6 is our y. And there you have it, we have the y-intercept. And it goes negative 3 and over 5. So we will go down 3 below. So 1, 2, 3. And forward 5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is rise over 1. Then since this is a negative symbol, so we will do down over 1. So that is negative symbol. And now, the thing that will happen here is, we already have this. This is 5 and yeah, this is a little bit of 2.6 and this is 0.6. So this is now our points. Then the inequality symbol, focus inequality symbol is less than. Therefore, this is broken line and less than. So what will happen here? This is a broken line and less than. The shading region is below. So, so notice that the thing that happened here is basically this will become the shaded region below, and this is now our answer. Okay, this is the idea. This is what she did. This is the answer. So we will have a shading. But if you have a graphing paper to setting graph there, you can use a highlighter. Okay. And the idea here, the steps provided above, it can be used, but doesn't mean that you have to stop there. If you are, if you want to check every step, you can do.